5 common mistakes that people make after a scary surf incident. Hey everyone, I am Danny. I'm a surf confidence coach and psychotherapist. The first mistake is rushing back to the same conditions they were surfing pre-accident. It's really important that you take it easy on yourself and don't rush back to those same conditions, because it's only going to cause frustration if you are like mentally blocked or you're getting re-triggered and feeling intense levels of fear because like that trauma is just coming back to you. So take it easy on yourself. You maybe go back in smaller conditions, more mellow conditions, just to kind of rebuild that relationship and that trust with the ocean and with surfing again. The second one is lack of acceptance. There has to be acceptance around what kind of surfer you are now. We've taken a few steps backwards, like we've had a scary incident. We are not the same surfer we were before the accident. So really trying to accept where you are and taking those baby steps to get back to, you know, the level that we were before, or maybe we will never get back to that level. So it's really like acceptance is key here. The more you can accept that, the more smoothly and the quicker you are going to move through this phase. The more you reject it and the more you fight it, the more resistance there's going to be, and the more suffering there's going to be, the more frustration there's going to be, and I can promise you, you're going to get stuck in a negative rut and just really feel high levels of frustration. When if you are able to just sit in that discomfort of the acceptance around the surfer that you are now, and you just have to build that relationship back up again with the ocean and with your surfing, then you're going to move through this a lot smoother and with less suffering. Another mistake that I see people make is really like minimizing the incident and like laughing it off and like dismissing it as something small, when actually something scary has happened. Like it can often make us feel a little bit traumatized. It will stay in our bodies, and we'll be reliving that every time we go in the sea, and like a wave is coming towards us, we'll be re-triggered by that level of fear that we've felt in the incident. So it's good to really try and not minimize the incident and just acknowledge that it happened in order to move through and rebuild that relationship with surfing again, with the ocean again. Acknowledge the incident for what it was and allow yourself to really process through the discomfort and the fear. The next one is forgetting to have fun. It's really important when we're trying to re-establish that relationship with surfing again, to have fun again, play around, go in with friends, have a laugh. Like you want to start feeling safe in the ocean again. You have had a scary incident and the ocean probably no longer feels safe, so you have to really rebuild that relationship slowly. And having fun is the best way to do this. The next one is not seeking professional help. If you've had an extremely scary incident and you may have injury, it's not just the physical injury that needs to heal. As well as a physical body, we also have an emotional body, and that emotional body also needs to heal. And we don't often acknowledge that. Sometimes we can't do that on our own, so it's important to seek professional help if we feel like it's really impairing our surf experience and that fear is really being activated every time we go in. You can do this through either body work, somatic work, or therapy with a therapist. So I hope you found this helpful. I will be back with more tips soon. See you later.
If this helped you, hit subscribe. We've got 100 more lessons just like this, from pop-ups to barrel riding. Link to the full written guide is in the description. See you in the next one.